Boo woo woo! Just see what I have for you. A vest, a van, and a volcano. You guessed it right. It's the V sound. V. V. Let's read. Let's look at these words. Drive, cave, cave, five, wine. All of these have magic keys. Clever, clever, travel, travel, sleeve, sleeve, violet. Now, if you see these words, can you see wherever you are finding V as an initial letter? You're right, it's wine, it's violet. Now, V in the middle, you're right, travel, clever as the middle letter. Now, in any of these words, can you find V letter as the last letter of the word? Can you find it out? No. You cannot find a word. Not just these. Just think of any word which ends with letter V. Can you think? No. Now this is a golden rule, that V is never alone at the end. It always have E along with it. So that's a golden rule for letter V. V is never alone. It has always E with it at the end. Now I have a game for you. Now this is a tongue twister. Remember, V and W also has W sound, but their pronunciations are different. Now you have to pronounce this tongue twister in their pronunciation way, the way they are pronounced correctly. Like V, view, walking as very whimsical. I will show you how, and then you try it out. All the best. We view walking as very whimsical. We view walking as very whimsical.